Today we are going to see how to program the heartbeat LED, that is a running LED, into our open source electronics hardware. We already explained the open source hardwares, how the board cells look like. In this board, the heartbeat, the running LED is connected in the L1 of the L1, the pin L1. It is internally connected to the port E of pin number 4. This board is already bootloader is programmed. We just load our blinking X file into this board through our USB port. Before go through the codings, we will explain the hardware details. Our LED is connected in port A. The running is connected to port A. So before going to that softwares, we will explain the hardware details. No, the input, the PIC18F five ports: port A, port B, port C, port D, and port in. Each port will be selected as an input port or output port. Some pins has multiplex with of an alternate functions called a serial port, USB port, comparators, and interrupt pins. Now, there is a two register in a PIC. One is of a twist register and a port register. The twist register is used to set port direction, data direction. It is means called data directions. That is an output mode or input mode. In port A, there is an twist A bit is there. If you twist A bit is set once, means it make the corresponding port A pin as input port. If it is the twist bit is clear, that is put to 0, means the corresponding port as port pin as output port. This is a basic hardware schematic diagram. This is we already explained. Now we will go to the IDE. Open source IDE. After install the open source IDE, just click to open. This is an blinking projects. So the heartbeat electricity, we call it as blinking electricity, is connected in port A pin number 4. That is we call it as user LED. So we need to set the user LED as output port. This function will internally set the twist, internally set the port of twist A bit as 0, corresponding to that pin number 4. So once the hardware is initialized, the another one is the loop function. In this loop functions, every 500 milliseconds we will toggle the user LED. That is an alternate on and off. Once it's done, we will compile the program and load it. This is after load. Our user LED is blinking. All the program and order details is available in this server. Any questions or any queries, please send mail to gopenelectronics@gmail.com. Thank you.